Hi, it's Zach here, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the Eggmaster. This is a revolutionary way that you can quickly and easily cook your eggs in the morning for breakfast so you can eat and be on your way. Let's check out the video.
What you need is the Rollie.
Isn't that amazing? And yes, it does work that simply. We've tried this out. Now, I know it says that it's called the Rollie. This is called the Eggmaster, but it is the exact same thing. Let's check out how to use it. So the first step is that you're going to want to plug it in. Then you're going to spray the inside of the Eggmaster with just a little bit of cooking spray. Then crack the egg in, wait for it to rise up, and you're all ready to eat. Now the Eggmaster comes with everything that you need to get started right out of the box. It comes with the Eggmaster itself, 5 cooking skewers, and even a cleaning brush that's going to make it super simple to keep your Eggmaster nice and clean. Now the instruction manual also comes with a whole bunch of different recipes, so you're not just eating plain old eggs, and you can really get creative with your recipes. We have a fantastic deal on the Eggmaster, so head on over to the site and grab yours today.